We are going whitewater rafting, and we are going to take the little bus with us. And welcome back to another episode here on the Richter Show. And today we are going whitewater rafting. Now, I'm not going to talk so much on video because I'm going to have it on my helmet, so I will do a voiceover afterwards. So we are going to go whitewater rafting. There's a little bus that brings you over here, and there are some final bathrooms over here in case if you need to go right before you get in the water. Now, it is raining a little bit today, but still we will have fun. All right, let's go.
Paddle in a canoe, paddle together, keep those hands on those seats. You already had a good time? Let's do it. Yeah. Paddle high five before we get out there. Woo! All right. Ready, Miss Bill? All right, it's actually 2-4.
Now it does start off fairly calm in a way. That way it gives the instructor time to see how his group handles, and he does do like some practices right before we get into the more extreme stuff. So I'm gonna make sure that I leave a lot of raw footage so that way you know exactly what to expect and how it feels as best as possible. So there's not going to be a lot of talking, that way you can concentrate and get like the real life experience as I go through the rapids, but I'll explain some things here and there when I feel the need to.
We're doing that next.
Now I have to mention that this is the Ocoee River here in Tennessee. As some tip I would tell you is bring an extra pair of clothing because you will get wet once you do this activity, and make sure that you bring also like a towel. Sunglasses are not necessary unless if you have a strap on them. This day wasn't too sunny, so it was okay. I would just avoid glasses at all points. Now I do have to mention that this is not my first time whitewater rafting. I probably lost count of how many times I've done it. But if you want the more extreme experience, I would say sit in the front of the boat. That is where you would get mostly wet, and that is the spot where it would be the most fun in my opinion. Now at this point right here, we were allowed to jump off and enjoy the river for a little while and just let the stream take us.
Floating down the river. Woo! Fun. Come on, Lori! Hop in! You good? Woo!
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Got this baby fork now, they ain't going nowhere.
Now, if you're one of those adrenaline junkies, this is one of those activities that you cannot pass by. A lot of the people that really come here are people that are looking for adventure. They're looking for that bit of adrenaline rush. So go ahead and try it if you haven't done it. Even if you don't know how to swim, you can actually get the life vest, and people are very, very friendly when you do these sports. At this point, I want to show how difficult it is to get on the boat. So you need somebody to help you, and also I'm going to show you how to help somebody to get on the boat.
You got me by the straps. Oh, you'll get me.
1, 2, 3, go. Yeah.
Gotcha. Oh. You gotta help him out. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Looks like the most ungraceful way to do.
Yeah, it's the only way. Experience.
It's good to mention as well that you don't always have to be rowing. There are some areas where you just let the raft go on its own. So don't worry if you don't have so much upper body strength, especially since you do have like 3 people on one side and 3 people on the other side, at least in this case and in this scenario. And mostly when you're actually paddling, it's mostly to either go forward or to go back, but the instructor or the captain is the one that actually functions as a rudder, and he's the one that controls the raft to go right or left. And he does also help paddling to compensate if you notice that one side is weaker than the other. In a few seconds you're going to see how I actually partially fall off the raft because I get pushed to one side because all the weight went on one side and my partner ended up pushing me to the side. And then you'll see how I get back into the raft as well.
You're way too high. You're way too high.
You almost got me. Technically, I didn't fall. I was still on the boat. Technically, I didn't fall. I was still on the boat. You pushed me out. Technically, I was still on the boat. That's why I kept holding on like, no, no. I technically didn't fall.
I knew where the photographer was, so that's why I partially posed for some of the pictures that they took.
It's going to be a few minutes to catch up with us with the boat, the guy that was taking the pictures. He'll have to hike back around. So if you want, just go ahead and unbuckle your gear, hang out for a few minutes. We got a restroom if you need it. I don't know. High five. Do we need to leave these here or take those with us? You can leave them here for now, but when we get on the bus, grab them, and we'll return them when we get back to the outpost. Hey, thanks for hanging in there. You did great. Now you can say you've done it and you don't have to do it again if you don't.
So I just finished whitewater rafting. I want to show you the place that I came at. It was Ocoee Water Sport. So hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like videos like these, don't forget to like and subscribe here only on The Richter Show. See you in the next whitewater rafting review.
Shout out to the host of the Richter.
It's the Richter show, the Richter show.